and welcome back to another video of Chef Alfredo Al Dente's cooking video. That's me. Yes, so today we are going to make a special recipe that I'm going to make before the 4th of July. Yes. Okay, so today I'm going to make a lasagna. Mamma mia! Yes, so I'm gonna show you how to make a lasagna right now. Oh, this is very delightful. Oh, I'm gonna, follow the recipe that what I'm going to do by making a lasagna. So let's get started. Yeah, the first recipe that I want to do is I want to, put the linguines in the pot, and that's how I'm going to, cook it. And the next recipe for the second one, I'm going to use a salt and pepper, just a little tiny bit. Yes, and the third recipe that I'm going to use is a little bit of a garlic, and the fourth one I'm going to use the tomato sauce, to put the tomatoes on the linguine by making a special lasagna. Yes, and also I am going to and the fifth one I'm going to use, yes, I've got it. That's what I'm thinking in my head. I'm going to use lots of cheese to put in the lasagna. That's what I'm going to do. And last but not least, on the sixth recipe that I'm going to use is oil vinegar. Yes. Yes. Yes, we did it. We follow all the recipes, and I'm going to be cooking the lasagna right now. And this is going to be a great recipe, and I hope you like it. And after we cook the lasagna, we'll do a taste test to see how it came out. So let's get cooking! Okay, so yes. This is going to be a great recipe, folks. Now this might take a little while to be cooking. Yes. Okay, so yes, it'll be about another 15 minutes. Now for another like 10 minutes. I think I smell it now. I smell the lasagna. Now about another 5 minutes. And voila! Mamma mia! The lasagna is perfectly done. Oh yes, how sweet of me to be cooking this special kind of recipes for my Italian pasta. Yes. Oh, this is so sweet. Oh, my family is going to be so proud of me. Oh, mamma mia, cheesy Giorgio. Oh, this is the best Italian pasta I ever make and ever cooked is the lasagna. Oh, and now it's time for the taste test to see how it came out. All right, let's test it. I gotta use a fork and a plate But first thing I want to do is I'm going to, put the lasagna on the plate, and that way we could do a taste test. Okay, so, alright, let's do this. Time for the taste test. Let's see how this came out. Oh! Holy smoly! Oh! This is so delicious! Oh, it came out really good! Oh, Alfredo, you are a great cook. Oh, you're the best chef ever. Oh, this is the best day of my life. Yes. And let's eat the second one. Oh, this is so good, but it's hot. Yes, and it's so delicious. So thank you guys for watching for my cooking video, and I hope you enjoy for the next one. Whichever Italian pasta I'm going to make for a special kind of recipe. You'll never know what's coming up next, but it's a secret. Yes. So anyway, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe me, Chef Alfredo Al Dente.com. Yes, YouTube.com. And I hope to see you the next time. So, yes, that's why I'm making this great lasagna to get ready for the 4th of July. So anyways, have a happy 4th of July, everyone, and I will see you soon, whenever, for another cooking Italian pasta video. Okay, so until next time, bye everyone, and have a nice day. And that's it.